This is not just a snack. This is a billion-dollar process happening in seconds. Every chip you've ever eaten started like this. Dirty. Forgotten in the ground. But what happens next is where things get insane. Thousands of potatoes arrive at this factory every single hour, but only the perfect ones survive. The rest? Rejected instantly. Because in this game, even a small defect can destroy the entire batch. First, they're dumped into massive washing drums. Not gently, violently. High-pressure water blasts away every trace of dirt, chemicals, and debris. What looks clean to your eye is still not clean enough for this level. So the process continues. Next comes peeling. But this isn't done by hand. This is speed at a completely different level. Machines strip the skin off hundreds of potatoes per minute. No hesitation. No mistakes. Every second matters here. Then comes inspection. And this part? Most people don't even know it exists. Advanced systems scan every potato, looking for defects you can't even see. One bad piece, and it's gone. Removed instantly. Because consistency is everything. Now comes slicing. And this is where things start to look familiar. Ultra-sharp rotating blades slice each potato into perfectly thin chips. All identical. Not almost identical. Perfectly identical. Because if one slice is thicker, it cooks differently. And that destroys quality. Now imagine this. Thousands of slices, moving at insane speed, heading straight into boiling hot oil. This is the moment everything changes. Within seconds, those pale slices transform. Golden, crispy, addictive. The oil temperature is controlled with extreme precision. Too hot? They burn. Too cold? They turn soggy. There is no room for error. This entire process is balanced like a science experiment. And just when you think it's done, it's not. Now comes seasoning. This is where the magic hits. Salt, spices, flavors, applied with exact measurements. Not a pinch more, not a pinch less. Because one wrong ratio, and the taste is ruined. Massive rotating drums tumble the chips, coating every single one evenly. This is why every bite tastes the same. Perfectly engineered. But here's the part nobody thinks about. Cooling. If these chips are packed while still hot, they'll lose their crunch. So they pass through cooling tunnels, bringing them down to the exact temperature needed. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. Now comes packaging. And this is where speed becomes unreal. Hundreds of packets, filled, sealed, and sorted every minute. Each pack gets a precise weight. Too much? Is too little? Less. Everything is optimized. Even the air inside the packet is not normal air. It's nitrogen gas. But because oxygen destroys freshness. Without nitrogen, your chips would go stale before you even open them. So what you're holding is not just chips. It's controlled chemistry, precision engineering, and ruthless efficiency. From a simple potato in the ground to a perfectly sealed packet in your hand. All in just minutes. And here's the crazy part. This entire process never stops. Day and night. Non-stop production. Because the demand never slows down. So the next time you open a bag of chips, remember, you're not just eating a snack. You're consuming one of the most optimized food processes on the planet.